I can't believe that I finally have over 500 subscribers now on the Random Tech Videos channel. Thank you all for subscribing, as it's a major milestone for this channel. So for this 500 sub special, I'll be giving you a detailed tour and breakdown of the setup behind me. Hi, I'm Justin from Random Tech Videos, and before I get into this video, please consider subscribing to this channel. Although if you're watching this video, you might already be subscribed. But anyway, if you think you'll like the video, please give it a like so that it can be featured in the YouTube algorithm. Oh, enough talking, I get it. This part's really boring. Okay, let's just get into the video where I show you my setup. Okay, starting off this setup tour, here's a quick look from top to bottom of my first PC setup, as I'm calling it. Here are just a few pictures I took myself. This right here is my Logitech 4K Pro webcam with Windows Hello facial recognition. Beneath that is my ViewSonic Elite monitor. It's 4K 32-inch, 150 Hz, and I really like the color accuracy and resolution of it. It's great for gaming and for video editing. To the left and to the right, and then down here is my audio system on my desk. It's the Logitech Z633 sound system, and it sounds really good for the price. Right here is my Logitech G Pro X wireless gaming headset. I use this for gaming or if I need to talk like on a video call or something. On the other side is my professional headset that I use for video editing, my Audio-Technica ATH M20Xs. This is just some chair that I found at Office Depot. Same thing with the desk. It's just something called like Tech Desk at Office Depot, and it has a charging area. This is my Logitech G915 wireless keyboard, the clicky version. And this is my Logitech G Pro X wireless super light mouse. In here I just have a Seagate backup hard drive. These are Tribit Stormbox Micro 2 speakers. I have two of them. I just stored them here. They're wireless Bluetooth speakers that I use like when I'm riding my e-bike, but I just stored them here. These are my JLab wireless earphones that I use. And again, I just stored them here. And then these are just a few adapters for SD cards and stuff. But now when we come over here, here's my PC. If you've been watching the channel for a while, you'll have seen it before. But if you haven't, I'll take the side panel off really quickly. And inside here we've got an RTX 3080 Ti, an AMD Ryzen 9 5900X, and then 64 gigabytes of Crucial Ballistics RAM, and just some other stuff. You can see my full PC build video linked up here if you want. But I guess this just about wraps up my 500 subscribers special quick setup tour. This video wasn't meant to be anything long. It's more of just meant to be like kind of filler content until I can finish the video that I want to make about this monitor where I review it. Yeah, I just admitted I'm making filler content, so anyway, I hope you enjoyed. If you want to help me out, you can share my channel, even though it's probably not worth watching. And I just get too lazy to make these videos. Then I only make them once a month. There you go, some information that I gave you for 500 subscribers, that I'm too lazy to make my own videos that I want to make. I just don't do it. Maybe someday I'll make more videos. Don't worry, I'm not quitting. I mean, I'll make more videos someday. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching, and until my next video, which hopefully will be a review of this monitor, goodbye.